Reading aloud to you, Harold and the Purple Crayon. Animals, animals, animals. Adaptation by Liza Barker. Based on a teleplay by Gillies. Illustrations by Chiang, Jose Lopez, and Kevin Murawski. Harold couldn't sleep, so he took out his stuffed animals. Harold thought about how much fun animals have. What animal would I like to be? He wondered. Harold wanted to find out more about animals. He picked up his purple crayon and set off on an adventure. Harold thought, I would like to be big and strong. He took his crayon and drew an elephant. The elephant dipped its trunk into a bucket of water. Then he sprayed the water all around. It looked like fun, so Harold drew a hose. But the hose was very wiggly. Harold accidentally sprayed the elephant. The elephant got all wet. Harold tried to apologize, but the elephant walked away. I would like to take long trips, thought Harold. So he drew a camel. Then Harold drew a large backpack full of food and water. Together, Harold and the camel set off through the desert. As Harold walked, the backpack felt very heavy. Harold was tired. The sun was hot. He drew a lake and a palm tree. As Harold rested, a herd of cheetahs ran by. I would like to move really fast, thought Harold. Harold drew a pair of roller skates and raced after the cheetahs. Racing with the cheetahs was fun, but soon Harold was hot again. He wanted to go somewhere cool. Harold took his crayon and drew a line up to the sky. He found himself on top of a snowy-covered hill. Harold met a group of penguins. They were sliding one by one on their bellies down the slope. I would like to slide down a snowy hill, thought Harold. So he drew a sled. Many penguins jumped on with Harold. Soon the sled was full of penguins. The sled sped down the hill. With a crash, Harold and the penguins landed in the snow. Harold was covered with snow. He was cold. He drew a big sun in the sky. Harold was warm again. He drew a jungle. Monkeys played on vines. I would like to swing, thought Harold. He reached up and grabbed a vine. Soon he was swinging back and forth just like the monkeys. Living the life of the animals had been fun, but Harold liked being himself best. Harold took his purple crayon and drew his bedroom window. Back in his room, Harold pulled up his covers. As he hugged Lilac in his arms, his purple crayon dropped to the floor, and Harold dropped off to sleep. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. If you did, please give this video a like so that I know to read more Harold and the Purple Crayon stories. And for more stories, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a lovely day.